So managed to pick up another 18 boards. Rescued them before they got absolutely soaked. They were wet, but I've had them clamped up for a while, so they're not too bad. These ones were really wet, so I've had these ones dry and I put some sticks in between them all, laid them down flat. Some of them had like green mould on them, so I cleaned all that off and sprayed it with some mould spray and bleach, so they should be fine. So these are gonna go into backstock and let them dry out a bit more, and we'll get on with another project, which is going to be some plant troughs. Hardly any waste. They're going to be split right up the middle and really coat them up with some fence like stain stuff. So yeah, that'd be good. So we'll get on with that project soon, because it's going to be like weather's turning now, the plants are dying off. So once they're gone, then we can crack on with that. So we'll see you then.
2,000 years later.
So we've got to this stage. Didn't film it because I forgot to put the camera on again, but obviously these are troughs, and going on the free theme, they still haven't cost me any money. So I've got 6 of these. I've got one over there and this one, they're going over there, and I've got 4 to go right along there. They're all, each of them is 1 metre wide. So what I've done with pallets, the actual pallet wood, is put 3 strips in the bottom, one across there, and it's screwed into the sides to stop the bottom bowing out. And this is going to be lined with plastic, heavy duty, and it's still free. Here it is here, brand new. My son actually bought it for me. So cheers, son. He said, George, what do I need to keep the project going? So I said, well, some heavy duty plastics. This is like DPM stuff. So yeah, he's bought that for me. It's 10 meters by 2 meters, and that should be enough to do these. So what I'm going to do is line it inside there, and then once it's in the bottom where them grooves are, it gaps, I'm just going to punch a few holes in there for drainage, and so that should be good enough. And because I'm going to cover them and cover them right up to the over the lip, so the water doesn't get into this. Then I'm going to put a cap on top of that, which I might have to spend some money using some treated timber, like roof battens. Only like £3 a length, so it's not too bad. So I sort of like worked it out. It's going to cost about 30 quid for these 6 troughs. So I'll crack on, get this bit done, and I'll bring you back. So putting this plastic really give up, like fight me all the way. This side turned out really nice, like nice envelope-y type thing. I thought, oh, I'll cracked it, I know how to do it. When it comes to this end, it was totally different. The envelopes, but it doesn't matter, you ain't gonna see it. As long as there's enough material in there, so when you earth it doesn't stretch out, so there's plenty of bagginess in there. So yeah, that one's done. Just got to do the other one, and then hang them on the wall, and then see how that goes after that. I've still got to get some battening for around the edges, and so we'll crack on and see you in a minute. So this is where we got to. I didn't put the camera on, but the boxes were made. I put the liners in, and now they're fitted to the wall. I was going to do a diagonal leg going from there to the back to the wall, but we decided on putting some legs in. So they're all trimmed out along the top. I might put another trim down the bottom, run along there, just to make it a little frame. But yeah, really pleased with them. And it's not free anymore, unfortunately. I had to buy the battening for the trim, so I didn't want to use the pallet stuff, because it's not treated, sort of treated, but it will rot in the end. So I've got some treated timber, so they're done, and all I've got to do is another 4 that runs along the back here. So I'm not going to bore you with that. So when I come back, it'll all be done, and then just got to sort out the plants when some more of them sort of like die off. Then I can transplant them into the pots, into the troughs, and get rid of all these pots in here. So see you back in about 2 seconds for you, and maybe a week or a bit for me. So we'll see you then. Cheers. So we are done with this project. It turned out really well. Don't worry about the cardboard, it's soaking in the rain, makes it easier to get rid of it. But yeah, it turned out really well. Obviously it's not free anymore. End up buying the feather edge and some roofing battens, and I had to buy some more stain. So end up with some I think it's Victorian black oak, and obviously some red cedar, which was a concentrate, and it makes I think it comes in like a litre, and it makes into 5 litres, so it's pretty good. So yeah, this is done. So the next project, I think it's turned out really well, by the way. I don't know what you think, but yeah, it works out really good. So it's all ready for planting next year. The right shit day today, proper gloomy and raining. So the next project is going to be yeah, shelving for inside this cupboard. So we're having some new boiler, combination boiler fitted. It's about time, and all this crap down here is all going to be ripped out. So this is going to end up being a storage cupboard. So I'll be making some shelving out of them pallet toppers, which will be free because I know I've not got to buy anything. So yep, all this stuff, all the expansion vessel that's going to be renewed, the boiler to a combi boiler, and all this spaghetti of pipe work will be gone. So we can't wait for that. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for this project. It should be pretty good. So we'll see you then. Thanks again.